Alright guys, jumping right into this super easy everyday look. We're going to start out with this Urban Decay Urban Defense Primer. This has SPF in it and it makes your skin feel so soft. I just push it right into that skin, kind of press it in there and smooth it all out. For foundation, I go back and forth between the CoverGirl True Blend Matte Made and the Estee Lauder Double Wear. We're going to use the Double Wear today. And we're using the Sigma F80. This is the flat kabuki brush. I am obsessed with this. I recently got it from Sigma. It's very similar to the Morphe one I always use, but just a little bit better, I think. For concealer, I usually go in with a Tarte Shape Tape, or I did just pick up this Tarte Creaseless Concealer and have been in love with it. It is probably a little bit better than the Tarte Shape Tape, but I don't know. It's hard to say, but it's nice and thick and creamy and stays on all day. Using the Tarte Beauty Sponge to just blend it all out. Any of the excess, I go ahead and take that and kind of rub it on my eyelids as a primer. And then we're going to wipe off that foundation from the lips just with a makeup wipe. To set our concealer and pretty much our face, I go in with a Laura Mercier Translucent Setting Powder. You know I am obsessed with this stuff as well. I use it every single day and it just works really well with my skin. Laura Mercier just came out with a new powder. It's called the Glow Powder. And this brush came with it as well. They did send it to me and I have been trying it as like kind of a highlighter, but not really like a super bright highlighter. It just gives your face like a glow and I love it. For brows, I'm going in with my favorite, the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz Pencil. This is in the shade Taupe. You guys have seen me do my brows before, so I'm just fast forwarding through all of this. Now for bronzer, I do love my Estee Lauder Bronze Goddess, but I have been going back to this Butter Bronzer from Physicians Formula. I do have a new one because that one's like pretty much done. And I just like to really bronze up, give it like a little bit of a glow to the face, like a sun-kissed look. Nothing too crazy like contouring or anything like that, but I do definitely go on the chin and just on the cheekbones just a little bit and then around the forehead. For blush, I've been loving this one that Sigma sent me. It's the Aura powder in the shade Nymphea, I think is how you say it. Just gives a nice flush pink to the cheeks. Now for the eyes, I've been using this Bobbi Brown Night Drama palette. This is a BH Cosmetics fluffy vegan brush. I'm just using this color in the crease. It's in the shade Dawn Haze. It gives just a little bit of a light brown into that crease there. I don't go all out with my eyes for an everyday look. I usually just do like kind of a full face and very, very light minimal on the eyes. Then I go in with this E59 shader brush. This is from Sigma and I'm putting this shade called Constellation. It's like a peachy duochrome almost. You can't really tell in the video, but it's very, very pretty and very just light in sheen. I just place it all over the lid. Then I'm going to use this flat definer brush from BH Cosmetics and use the shade Molten Sky kind of as a liner in the outer V of my eye. So a little bit on the top, a little bit on the bottom. Not too far in, otherwise it kind of closes off my eyes a little bit. Then we're going to take a BH Cosmetics fluffy brush and that shade Dawn Haze and we're just going to buff it all out, kind of blending that Molten Sky out. The goal is to just get rid of any harsh lines. I just keep buffing until it's where I want it to be. After eyes are done, we're going to go in and curl those lashes and then put some mascara on. I have been loving the Benefit Bad Gal Bang mascara. This is just a sample. I definitely want to purchase the full size. I got this when I was with Brianna Fox when we went shopping together a few months ago, but I am absolutely obsessed with it. It doesn't look like my lashes are really long right now, but I promise you they're like super long for my lashes, especially after having lash extensions. But I've been using my lash serum like pretty much every other day. I know I've talked about it before, but I'll link it down below. It's the Grande or Grand, I call it Grande Lash MD, and I swear it's definitely helped. And to set our face, we're going to use the Urban Decay Chill Makeup Setting Spray. I love this stuff. I do use the Urban Decay All Nighter Spray, but I do like this for more of an everyday look. It just really locks everything in there. Then for lips, I am still obsessed with this. I'm pretty sure I was obsessed with this the last time I shared my everyday makeup look, which I will link above and below as well. But this is the Dose of Colors liquid lipstick in the shade Truffle. Absolute favorite and definitely a must-have. And onto hair, I will leave a video above and down below on how I curl my short hair. But this completes the look. It was super easy to achieve. It took about 10 minutes minus the hair. But I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you're not already subscribed. I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.